I am excited to open this. This is a new knife from William Henry. And I gotta say, I've never really considered myself a knife guy, but I'd never really seen knives like that. Obviously, I'm using this to open this box. So here we go. We are open. I'm gonna set this down. That's nice. Oh, it's heavy. That's a good sign. That is one nice box. Ooh, it's another box. Boxception up in here. All right, check out this collector's box. Nice and solid. This push button open. Real nice touch. I like that a lot. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the Kestrel Forest Glen. This right here is the reason I wanted this one. I don't know, to me, knives and nature feel like they go hand in hand, and this is a blue spruce pine cone inlay. I tell you that, you can't really feel the transition from the metal to the inlay. That is just so smooth. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Look at this WH right there. Nice touch. Look at these thumb studs. Sapphire in there. Stunning. And then, of course, we got the blade. Ooh. Tough to beat that. That is, I don't even know. That is unlike anything else that I've seen. That is Damascus, hand forged. Doubt I could show you the edge very well, but that feels really nice. Good balance. Very useful blade shape. Not too long. Look at these details here. I love that little WH there. This inlay, subtle, gorgeous. Nice craftsmanship. And so let's see what's under the top layer here. All right, we've got some info on the knife. There it is, lifetime warranty. Awesome. And I love this, certificate of authenticity. There it is, Kestrel Forest Glen, limited edition with that description. And then you've got this great case, leather, very strong clasp. Yeah, really strong. Look at that. So let's put the knife in there, see how that fits. I hate to close this up, but let's go ahead and do that. Look at that push button. The little ridges around that sapphire. Love it. All right, close that up. Give it a little squeeze. Slides on in there. I want a tight fit. That's exactly what I want. I don't want this going anywhere. You got the clip. Perfect. So I love this knife. I'd have to say the only problem is I might have just started a dangerous new collection habit. But highly recommend. Beautiful.